Good morning. You are watching JIMS News. I am Ishika Narula presenting you with the top stories of JIMS Anugoonj, making the headlines. Department of Media and Communication Studies organized a faculty development program FDP on digital storytelling in the age of AI. JIMS students excel at GTSIPU Anugoonj Prelims. Department of Media and Communication Studies organized a guest lecture on cyber safety. IIC and IPR Cell, in collaboration with the Department of Information Technology and IQAC, conducted a workshop on IP awareness and patent filling. BCA students startup Fasal Viman recognized among the top 100 startups at Delhi Startup UA Festival 2026. Students of BA-JMC second semester visited the World Book Fair for practical exposure. BA-JMC students attended the PRCI Delhi Academia Conclave 2026. The Placement Cell organized a guest lecture on aligning academic pathways for industry relevance and employability. The Placement Cell conducted a UNIQLO campus drive for student recruitment. UBA participated in Yamuna Cleanliness drive organized by the Regional Center IIT Delhi. IIC conducted Imagine.ai Visualizing Thought through AI Challenge to promote student creativity and AI innovation. Now, let's take a closer look at the detailed stories. Faculty Development Program on Digital Storytelling in the Age of AI. The Department of Media and Communication Studies organized a one-week Faculty Development Program FDP on Digital Storytelling in the Age of AI, held from 5th January 2026 to 10th January 2026. The program featured sessions by eminent academicians and industry experts who shared insights on AI-powered storytelling, digital branding, media ethics, and research tools, bridging the gap between technology and pedagogy. JIMS celebrates multiple wins at Anugoonj Prelims. Students showcased exceptional talent at the GGSIPU Anugoonj Prelims across 3 days. Day 1, Literary Hindi Debate winner, Footloose Fitur Society winner, Nach Baliye winner. Day 2, Classical Vocal Solo Swara Society winner, Light Vocal Swara Society runner-up, Literary Hindi Poetry runner-up. Day 3, One Act Play Pratibimb Society winner, Mr. Anugoonj runner-up. Their creativity and teamwork earned well-deserved recognition. Cyber Safety Guest Lecture. The Department of Media and Communication Studies hosted a guest lecture on the cyber awareness for BA-JMC students. The session, part of the National Cyber Awareness Initiative, was conducted by the experts from I4C and Federal Bank. Students learned about rising cyber frauds, preventive strategies, and responsible digital behavior, gaining practical knowledge to stay safe online. Workshop on IP awareness and patent filling. The institution's Innovation Council, IIC, in collaboration with the IPR Cell, Department of Information Technology and IQAC, conducted a workshop on IP awareness and patent filling, led by Ms. S. Kiran from FITT, IIT Delhi. Participants gained an understanding of intellectual property fundamentals, patent filling processes, and ways to safeguard their innovative ideas. Fasal Viman recognized at Delhi Startup UA Festival 2026. The student-led startup Fasal Viman was recognized among the top 100 startups at the Delhi Startup UA Festival 2026. Founded by the BCA students, Abhishek, the founder and the CEO, Arsh, co-founder and tech lead, and Kunal, the content and creative lead. The startup earned accolades for innovation in agri-tech, marking a significant milestone in the students' entrepreneurial journey. World Book Fair Visit. Students of BA-JMC second semester visited the World Book Fair at Pragati Maidan to gain practical exposure to the publishing and literary industry. The visit allowed students to observe book launches, panel discussions, and event management strategies, enhancing their understanding of media communication and cultural engagement in the real-world settings. PRCI Delhi Academia Conclave. The BA-JMC students of batch 2024 to 2028 attended the PRCI Delhi Academia Conclave 2026 on 22nd January. Industry experts shared insights on public relations in the AI era, evolving communication strategies, and career sustainability. Students learned to integrate AI with critical thinking while balancing high-pressure professional environments. Guest lecture on industry relevance and employability. The Placement Cell organized a guest lecture on aligning academic pathways for industry relevance and employability. Students explored industry-ready programs and career pathways including roles like business analyst, market researcher, and financial analyst. The lecture emphasized bridging academic learning with professional expectations to enhance employability. UNIQLO Campus Drive. The Placement Cell conducted an on-campus recruitment drive with UNIQLO, providing students with industry exposure and practical insights into corporate recruitment. The drive helped enhance students' professional confidence, communication skills, and the overall employability. Yamuna Cleanliness Drive. UBA faculty coordinator and student village heads attended the Yamuna River Cleanliness, Rejuvenation and Community Engagement Initiative under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, organized by the Regional Coordinating Institute UBA, IIT Delhi, and held on 17 January 2026 at LHSC 418, IIT Delhi. Imagine.ai Challenge. The institution's Innovation Council IIC conducted the Imagine.ai Visualizing Thought through AI Challenge, promoting creativity and innovation among students. Participants used AI tools to transform images according to themes, showcasing imagination, technical skills, and innovative thinking in alignment with India's digital innovation initiatives. Thank you for watching JIMS News.